Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a really cool hack on Create a Garden that can actually make you super small, even the size of of a gnome in Create Garden. So you will need a lot of robins. You need to get that by contributing to the fall bloom here, and then you can get it by purchasing it in the fall festival pets. Then you'll need to hatch the eggs, and it's super easy to get a robin. It's like the least rare pet. Sorry, it's the most common pet. I don't know why I said that. But anyways, you're just going to put it in your garden. You're going to put a lot in your garden. I put 5. Here, as you can see, if I switch to my second pet slot, I will become smaller and smaller and smaller because there's a lot of robins in my garden. Like, I'm even kind of like this. The egg is like now half my size, and I'm smaller than the pet itself. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can make yourself small. I don't know why you would do that, but it's cute, I guess. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.